Gusto mong mag-jump on the bed? Gusto mong mag-jump on the bed? Sige. Jump on the bed. Jump on the bed. Aray. Jump on the bed. Jump on the bed. Jump on the bed. Lana, sabi nila, no more Rylan jumping on the bed. Sabi, no more jumping on the bed. Paano yan? Gusto mo mag-jump on the bed? Gusto mo? Talaga? Sige. Rylan jumping on the bed. Rylan is jumping on the bed. Rylan is jumping on the bed. Tapos na. Sabi nila kasi, no more Rylan jumping on the bed. Wala na. Hindi na raw pwede. Paano yan? Paano yan, Balong? Hindi ka na makaka-jump sa bed. Gusto mo? Gusto mo mag-jump? Talaga? Gusto mo mag-jump? Gusto mo mag-jump? Ayan. Rylan is jumping on the bed. Rylan is jumping on the bed. Yan, tapos na. Tapos nang mag-jump si Rylan. Bakit? Gusto mo pa? Di na raw pwede. Sabi nila, no more Rylan jumping on the bed. Sabi, no more. No more na. No more. Sige na nga. Last na. Last na, okay? Okay. Rylan is jumping on the bed. Rylan is jumping on the bed. Ang tinitignan mo dyan? Tapos na. Pagod na si Daddy. Pagod na. Pagod nang mag-jump. Pagod na, Balong. Pagod na. Gusto mo ba? Gusto mo pa ba? Pagod ka na rin, di ba? Di ba pagod ka na rin? Di ba? Sige, last na. Gusto mo pa talaga? Last na. Gusto mo? Gusto mo? Mag-jump on the bed? Jump on the bed. Gusto mo ba? Ay, ayaw na niya. Hindi na tumitingin. Gusto mo ba? Gusto mo ba? Ay, mabaho si Daddy. Kaliligo ko lang eh. Ikaw yung mabaho. Kasi, puro laway. Amuyin ko nga. Hindi naman hindi naman mabantod si Rylan. Bango-bango naman ni Rylan. Gusto mo pang mag-jump? Gusto mo pang mag-jump talaga? So, ayan, jump. Rylan is jumping on the bed. Rylan is jumping on the bed. One little monkey jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. So Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more Rylan jumping on the bed. Tapos na. Wala nang jumping on the bed. Kasi may isang monkey na bump his head. Hindi na pwede. Sabi ng doctor. Tinawagan ni Mami yung doctor. Sabi ng doctor,